Did you know that 4 out of 5 online searches are locally based? Make no mistake, local search is evolving and the demand is growing fast. And get this, local business future depends on its online reputation, now more than ever. Just take a moment and think about the evolution of search. First, there were the yellow pages, then Google. Now it's all about local presence. What's the commonality there? It's ease, convenience, and speed. Are you starting to see the trend here? You better believe more and more folks will be searching locally using their mobile devices as we march forward. The question is, will you be one of the smart ones to pioneer and profit from this trend? Or will you sit by as everyone else already is capitalizing on this opportunity? And the best part, people are shifting locally too with the help of millions of mobile devices. They're searching locally, they are buying more locally, and certainly they are eating a lot within their local area. What types of businesses can benefit from being the first ones to get featured into the 3-pack maps of Google? Each and every type of business. Just think, restaurants, coffee shops, hotels, motels, bed and breakfasts, dentists, and so much more. The possibilities are virtually endless, but none of that matters if you're not the one enjoying those benefits. And let me tell you that 97% of the business types mentioned above are already listed on Google Maps, but most of them are unoptimized or even unclaimed by their rightful owners. This is actually good news for you though, because you get to be the hero of this very story. With our 3-step simple system, you can bank anywhere from $500 to $1,500 or even a little more by helping all sorts of local businesses to claim and optimize their Google My Business page while sending them thousands of new customers and traffic. Just follow the 3 simple step process and let the software do all the hard work for you. Find unclaimed local leads. Our system does the heavy lifting. Generate and download a professional PDF optimization report. Again, this is all done for you. Charge a handsome $497 fee to optimize their business using our done-for-you emails provided inside. That's it. Simple, right? Don't overcomplicate this. Instead, become the hero that these businesses are looking for. It's easy if you use our system. With Mapify360 platform, you basically get everything you need to start a legitimate local agency with a recurring business model that you've been waiting for. Become the hero business owners have been hoping for without pain or hassle. No guesswork, no cold calling, no confusion on how to help local business. Whether in a rural area, small town, or big city, every small business needs more customers or clients, right? Google Maps and Google My Business is an opportunity no one else is talking about because Google Search shifted its algorithms to show more localized results. The people that can make the most money are the ones who capitalize on change, and that means you could be among the ones who profit from this the most. Will you snatch this opportunity before it's too late? Local businesses need your help now more than ever. With this, you can help them. All you've got to do is click the buy button to get started. What will you do? Watch opportunity pass you by, or will you seize this opportunity bull by the horns and click the buy button right now? Everything you need to succeed is included on the other side of the buy button. Once the payment is complete, you'll get instant access to everything. And when I say everything, I mean exactly this. A cloud-based solution to find you unclaimed and unoptimized Google My Business local leads. The ultimate Google My Business optimization blueprint. Done-for-you email campaigns to close more local businesses. Our top 100 local business niches that convert for fast profits. The complete outsourcing cheat sheet. And more surprise bonuses you'll find out as soon as you join. With Mapify360, there's no experience necessary. We give you everything you need to start, even if you're a complete newbie. Now, the total value of this could be more than $497. I'm sure you'd agree, but action takers that act fast right now get access to everything for just a fraction of its real value. Hit the buy button and get immediate access to one of the easiest online marketing systems that you've ever come across. By this time next week, you will already have signed your first local clients, and I'll be waiting for my thank you email from you. Don't make me wait too long though, but hurry, the price, it will increase. And hey, even if we charged $497, it would still be worth it because you'd make that back in just one deal. Obviously, if you don't want to pay that much, just click the buy button today, right now, while it's at its lowest price it will ever be. And if you are ready to take charge of your financial situation, then hit the buy button now, and I'll see you on the inside of the members area just minutes from now.